right, so what are the factors of selection? The salaries look great. How do I reach there? Very, very simple. I need to work on all the factors. Okay, so I need to ensure I do well in my USMLE exams, get the step 1 CK 240 plus marks, CS passing first attempt, build my CV, get the right clinical experience, get the good LOR, your medical college performance. Now, if I'm interested in pediatrics, what work I do with my pediatric department, CMEs, conferences, volunteer work which I do with my community medicine department, extracurricular research, important research, important language. All the MOOC students on the MOOC platform learn Spanish language because we have identified knowing Spanish increases your chances of admission by about 10%. Okay? And of course, interview is also very, very important. Okay, so we are the solution providers who help you in this entire journey. We are not just trainers, we are team of mentors who help you with the training, coaching, guidance right up to your admission. In fact, our students start immediately after their NEET undergrad exam, just like American students with the foundation course. And once they join the medical school, end of first year, they start with the advanced clinical program, where we train for step 1 in, you know, then we train for step 2 CK. Minimum our program for medical school students is 4 years. And those who are interns and graduate, we have a fast track batch of advanced clinical science which we can go for. We are also offering module 3 in which we offer clinical rotation and CS examination, right? And under module 4, we help you with residency batch. So very, very important statistics all of you need to be aware of, okay, because this is very important, and unfortunately a lot of the students are not able to understand this. What is the I'm not sure how many of you are aware, but total number of students preparing for USMLE in India is about 15,000 plus, but last year only 1,094 got certified. Why is it that 14,000 students miss out to this great opportunity of free PG? What is the reason? The reason is, sometimes students become penny wise, pound foolish, or maybe the senior pressurizing or the herd mentality. Many of them think, they can find redemption from WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Unfortunately, 1 out of 1,000 students succeed in this. Some are, unfortunately recommended programs in Hyderabad, 4 month, 7 month, 9 month program, only 1 month company content, no memory tools. If you ask them for live lecture, they will ask more money. They just talk about their legacy, so many years, that's it. No post-sale service, only limited help in terms of login ID, password. Unfortunately, these Hyderabadi companies talk about 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees. They will not talk about clerkships, no further clarity. Even if you ask them clerkship, they will say, yes, you come tomorrow, I will help. They will not plan your career. In fact, these companies also will recommend don't do anything right now, consider after graduation, and then charge you 50 lakh rupees. So don't, get, preyed by these, one company content from Hyderabad, Rather go via systematic preparation. Our program is structured. We have content which is useful to you. We give you access to a lot of memory tool. Our live online sessions have run parallel to medical college. There's a complete real-time support. A lot of times we hear from consultants, students and PG students who are preparing with us that it is a great relief when somebody daily basis calls us, reminds us with our daily targets. They remind us with lectures to attend, assignments to complete, question banks to solve. So there is a complete push which we do. Okay, and of course the cost estimate has to be correct from day 1 up till you get admission. This is your expenditure. This is not our fees, but this is your expenditure which we are trying to inform. So this is something which a lot of students in India unfortunately are not guided well, which is why they get stuck. Why are we popular? We have artificial intelligence based software, live lectures with the faculty with unlimited validity. There is no concept of validity in our program. If you see our student manual, our portal, every student has got access to this a login ID password where they log in. They can watch innumerable lectures on the system. They can kind of attend any live lectures they want to. Just click in, just see the live lecture and just attend the session. It's as simple as that. They can just select a topic, just get into it, watch a particular video, solve any particular questions they want to. So it's completely systematic. They want to download notes, they can download notes. They can report mistake, they can ask doubts. Everything is on the click of a button. Okay, so the entire library is there of the most useful content. There are live lecture access where you can ask doubts, you can ask questions. We train for Spanish language. We prepare from a lot of basics because we have realized we emphasize on medical terminologies also a lot. You might be wondering, why is it important? But we believe our foundation has to be strong. A lot of times, Indian students do wrong in USMLE because their foundations are weak. We try to start with very, very basic so that you understand the terminologies, the way things are interacted or things are used in the American healthcare system. So we try to go as basic as possible so that conceptually you are ready with the war, because USMLE is like going to a war. So every tool has to be perfect with you. Whether it is question bank, you can practice as many questions as you want with the performance analytics in terms of what are your marks. We assume everybody who is part of our program is weak in all the subjects, and as they progress they keep on improving, and finally every subject becomes their strength. Okay, that is how it works. Plus we have a very dynamic analytic system where we let you know, artificial intelligence based software lets you know what are your marks and when you are ready for exam, because exams happen every day throughout the year. We have career tools where you can check out on, let's say if you want to become, let's say, an ENT specialist, what are the marks required, what is the average score, every information, because we do a lot of career planning. So news and updates, all kind of information is available which is relevant, right? Last but not least, of course, you have our faculty tool where you can interact with the faculties, ask doubts, ask questions at any point of time. So this is how the software works, with Mooch. We have something called as a weakness rectifier. So we let you know how ready you are in a particular topic, subtopic. So it's completely, for the student, designed keeping in mind their strength and weaknesses.